it's eggs. Woo! Throw some fixins in the middle, so good for eating. It's eggs, it's eggs.
What's up, Kalamazoo? Executive Chef Josh Kirby here, along with Chef and Dietitian Kirsten Strong. For this month's Excelsior Recipe Rundown, we're thinking about Easter right around the corner. Got us thinking about eggs. That is the most versatile thing in your kitchen. So we're going to show you a few different cooking methods, and then for the main recipe, we're going to make some soy ginger marinated eggs, which are like my favorite thing.
Yeah, we've got a lot to cover in this video. We're going to start off with the soft, medium, and hard-boiled eggs and the difference between those. We're going to do a quick hollandaise sauce, and then we're going to show you how to do a French or a soft scramble and an American scramble. Next, we're going to do a poached egg, and then we'll move on to a sunny side up fried egg and an over medium fried egg. We'll finish up with our soy ginger marinated soft-boiled eggs. Let's get to it. So the only difference between a soft-boiled, medium-boiled, and hard-boiled egg is about 2 minutes. And every egg is so similar that this works for all of them. If you want a soft-boiled egg, boil it for 7 minutes. Medium-boiled, boil it for 9 minutes. And a hard-boiled egg boils for 12 minutes. When you remove the eggs from the boiling water, you want to run them under cold water or throw them in an ice bath before you peel them. Next up is a quick hollandaise. You want to make sure you have really hot butter when preparing this recipe, and also make sure you're using a tall, skinny container. When your butter is nice and hot, slowly drizzle it into the egg mixture and start blending. Blend for about 30 seconds. The French scramble is also known as a soft scramble. The trick here is you just want to continue to constantly stir these whipped eggs for about 10 to 15 minutes until tiny little curds develop. And you want to do this over low heat. The outcome is a rich custard-like egg that goes really good on top of buttered toast. It's one of my faves. Next up is the good old American scramble. These eggs tend to be cooked a little hotter and faster, creating bigger, fluffier curds. And they require a little less stirring. Next up is the tricky poached egg. But it's actually not that tricky. The secret trick is trying to get rid of any loose egg whites, which is what we're doing here. When you're ready, you want to get a little swirl going in the water and slowly drop the egg. Gently moving the water around the egg helps it evenly cook. For your sunny side up fried egg, you want to cook it at a low to medium heat for about 3 to 4 minutes, and you're basically looking for the whites to set and a bright yellow yolk, and you do not flip this egg. For an over medium egg, you just flip a sunny side up egg and wait about 30 seconds, then kill the heat, and there you have it. Alright, we're finally at the grand finale with our ramen marinated eggs. Super simple. You create the marinade, let it simmer for about 5 minutes, and then just pour it over some peeled, boiled, soft-boiled eggs. These are so good. The yolk's all jammy. The flavor really penetrates all the way through. It's a real cool way to up your egg game this season. We also wanted to make sure we shouted out eggs and all of their culinary uses. They can be used for binding, emulsification, leavening, thickening, coating and glazing, clarifying, and structure and baking. And don't forget about all the different ways we can cook them. Now get out there and cook some eggs.